Once you know how to create and do basic customizations for charts in Excel, it's time to explore the advanced formatting options that Excel 365 provides. These tools allow you to fine-tune your charts to make them look more professional and visually aligned with your reporting goals. Excel offers a wide range of extended options to control each component of a chart in detail. You can format the overall chart by adjusting elements such as background color, borders, shadows, and reflection effects. These adjustments help emphasize data points and improve the overall clarity of the visual. To begin, click on the chart to activate the formatting tools. Then go to the Format tab. Here, you can set the background color for the entire chart to match your document style or brand identity. You can also apply or change the border color to make the chart stand out more distinctly on your worksheet. In addition to modifying chart background and borders, you can customize the appearance of the data labels and axis titles. For example, you can change the font style, size, and apply effects like shadows or color highlights. This allows you to match your personal or organizational style preferences. After applying these advanced customization options, your chart will appear significantly more refined and professional. The improved appearance not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes it easier to interpret and present the data clearly. These advanced formatting options in Excel help you tailor your charts for different types of reports, presentations, or dashboards, making them more effective and suitable for your specific needs.